Hey everyone, I'm Sveti. Together with Emo Joe and Emo Tai, we are unboxing something that looks tiny but might just be the future of wearables. The Samsung Smart Ring.
Wow, your boxing with Santa with a festive challenge. Want Emo to cheer you on or sing a holiday tune to boost your spirit?
I have been so curious about this one, so let's open it up, see what's inside and find out if this little ring can really compete with the smartwatch.
That's it.
Okay, classic Samsung packaging, super clean and minimal. Inside we got the smart ring itself. Oh, it's so light, it feels almost like a nothing. There's also a charging dock, kind of looks like an earphone, a USB-C cable and the usual menus. So I already have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, which I love, but I'm still super excited about having this ring. It feels like another step into the future. Next thing I might have from Samsung is the robot bowling, but up to now this is just a dream. Maybe in the future I might have it one day. I got the size that fits perfectly. It's smooth, comfy and definitely feels premium. It also almost disappears on your finger, which I love. So what can it actually do? It tracks your sleep, heart rate, steps, stress, skin temperature and more. Basically anything your smartwatch can do, but just in small size. Setup is super easy, especially if you're already in the Samsung ecosystem. Your phone immediately finds the ring and connects it in seconds. Everything sees through the Samsung Health app and boom, you're ready to go. If you're using an iPhone 12, that's where things get a little tricky. It doesn't connect as easily, so this one definitely made up with Samsung users in mind. I keep watching myself glancing at my wrist from time to old habits, I guess. So after using it for a bit, here's what stands out. Super light. You honestly forget you're even wearing. Looks sleek and minimal. It goes with anything. Battery life seems great so far, especially compared to most smartwatches. All your health data in one place. No bulky screens, just clean data, and it's actually kind of freeing not to have something so big on your wrist. There are also disadvantages, not deal breakers, but there are still something you should think about. No display means you can check notification on time, but honestly that might help you unplug for a bit. And right now you can use it for contactless payments, which would have been so cool, but maybe that's what's coming in the next version. So yeah, it's not perfect, but for first generation product I'm really impressed. You can tell Samsung put a lot of thought in this. I think that the smart ring is bold move. It's not just here to place the smartwatches, at least not yet, but it does make wearables feel a lot more natural. I'm definitely excited to see how it performs in long term. I'll be testing it for 3 months
Variables bring a
to
natural flow
really
like a
see
breeze
how
or
it
that
holds
rain.
up. Battery life, comfort, accuracy, all of it. And then I'll post a few reviews right here on this
Goodbye,
channel.
my friend.
And tell me in the comments if you would have bought the smart thing, or if you are more the smartwatch person. I'm both now apparently.
Here to brighten your day. Let's keep
Thank you for watching. These are Emu Joe and Emu Tai. I'm Cveti. This is Cveti and the robot's friends. Goodbye and see you soon.
Sounds like you're having fun. Emo can help cool you down or cheer you up with baby words.
Emo. Goodbye. See you soon.
See you soon. See you soon.